Any one song that has made Sunidhi Chauhan what she is today?
It's a difficult question.
What is something many people don't know about Sunidhi Chauhan?
I like acting. I'm interested in it. And if I get a good part to play, I would be happy.
शीला की जवानी या बीड़ी जलाए ले, your favorite?
मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा.
Rapid fire with both of you.
Yeah, lovely. I love it.
We'll start with
Start with
with
Sunidhi. Start with Sunidhi.
We'll start with Sunidhi. So rapid fire with Sunidhi Chauhan. Any one song that has made Sunidhi Chauhan what she is today?
One song.
Yeah.
That is not fair. There are hundreds of songs. जिन्होंने
I know,
मुझे
but still, कोई ऐसा बच्चा आपका जो कि फेवरेट हो?
मेरे फेवरेट्स भी बहुत सारे हैं फरदून, बट मैं ये कहूँगी हाँ, जिस गाने से मैं लोगों की नजर में आ गई और उनको लगा कि या कुछ है और काम करना चाहिए इस लड़की के साथ, वो डेफिनेटली मस्त का टाइटल गाना था.
No doubt.
मैं मस्त एंड रुकी रुकी सी जिंदगी. In fact, the whole album must, because Ramu ji was gracious enough to give me 3 songs in that movie. At that time when you had the धुरंधर के सामने मुझे 3 गानों के साथ एक इतना बड़ा मेजर ब्रेक मिलना, that was a big thing. Yeah. So it will be must.
No, absolutely. One song that initially seemed easy to you but was very tough to sing.
No song is easy, honestly, but दिल में जागी धड़कन ऐसे from Sur. It sounded like कि हाँ चलो मैं manage कर लूँगी, because it was supposed to be sung in one breath, that whole मुखड़ा. वो तो मतलब मेरी बैंड ही बज गई उस दिन. MM Cream sir was very kind and very patient. He said कि you take your time, take half an hour, 45 minutes, whatever you want to take, and rehearse this, but I want this in one breath only. So बहुत वक्त लगा मुझे, but yeah, I finally kind of got it.
The most underrated song of yours?
Most underrated. There've been many. I mean, हर गाना तो पॉपुलर होता नहीं, हर गाना पहुंचता नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, ले चले from my brother Nikhil is a gem for me. It's a beautiful composition and I thought I sounded beautiful in that song. So वो उसको उतना recognition नहीं मिला जितना मिल जाना चाहिए था शायद.
Something that a fan has done for you can never forget.
One fan of mine from Nairobi did a tattoo of my face on his arm, right here, on his bicep, tricep, bicep, my full face, and that I will never forget. I was only 16, 17 when I met him, and he was a very big fan and he showed me his tattoo. I was blown.
If you're offered a Bollywood film as a lead actress, what genre should it be?
It should be a meaty, substantial role. Could be anything. It could be a 5 minutes part or a half an hour in a movie or a full movie. I like acting. I'm interested in it. And if I get a good part to play, I would be happy.
If your life had a theme song, what would it be?
मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं एक्चुअली कोई गाना, बट तेग मेरे बेटे के होने के बाद एक गाना मुझे बहुत बार बार आता रहता है और मैंने उसके लिए भी गाया है. जब वो मेरे पेट में था तब भी गाया था, बाद में भी गाया. मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा. उसका जो अंतरा है, फुर्सते कहाँ फुर्सते कहाँ आँखों को है मेरी आजकल हो देखने में तुझे सारा दिन जाए निकल और फिर आहिस्ता से छूके जो तू निकले तेरी आँच में दिल मेरा धीमे धीमे पिघले मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा.
Wow. That is
These
so
lines I
amazing.
really relate with.
Beautiful.
No, this is so amazing. Okay. An actress you haven't sung for so far, but you think your voice would suit her very well.
That's a difficult question. I can't remember who I have not sung for. You tell me, yeah. I don't know. I have no idea.
In the recent lot, Sara,
Recent thought,
Sara Ali Khan, or
yeah, I haven't sung for Sarah. I think it would be interesting, yeah, to see my voice on her face. She's got a very strong, bold, and yeah, she's a very beautiful face. So, and she's a fantastic actor. So, yeah,
Yeah.
I would love to sing for her.
what is something many people don't know about Sunidhi Chauhan?
I don't plan too much. I just believe in the moment. I know being in this position, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा सोचते होंगे कि every step that I take is, you know, बहुत सोच समझ के लिया गया है. लेकिन मैं हमेशा से वैसी रही हूँ. I don't think too much. I just go with my instinct, and it has always led me to a good space. So yeah, I think that's something people don't know about me.
शीला की जवानी या बीड़ी जलाए ले, your favorite?
ये क्या बात है यार. नहीं नहीं, दोनों गाने मतलब मेरे
Okay,
दोनों
which was
हाथ की तरह.
Which was tougher to sing, maybe?
They both were extremely tough. Let me tell you, बीड़ी चलेले sounds like बहुत मस्ती का गाना है और डांस हो रहा है और एकदम ये वाले स्टेप्स हो रहे हैं. So it's इतना डिफिकल्ट था वो गाने के लिए बिकॉज बीड़ी बहुत ही खूबसूरत कॉम्पोजिशन है अगर आप उसे गौर से सुनो तो
जी.
और लिखा तो ऐसा है कि मैं उसकी क्या बात कहूँ. तो डिफिकल्ट वो भी था. शीला की जवानी एक अलग लेवल का डिफिकल्ट था. इट वाज हाई पिच्ड एट द सेम टाइम. बहुत टेंडर गाना था मुझे अंतरों में. Like it starts only, I know you want it, but you never, and then da 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 da. It had a wide range. So they both were difficult, and they are still my most favorite songs. You know, when I sing in my shows, they are the last two songs that I sing. And best part ये जरूर मैं mention करना चाहूँगी. It's been so many years. शीला को शायद मतलब 2006 में बीड़ी आया था और उसके बाद ही शीला आया था या आसपास आया था. और अब तक that's the song people want to hear when I start the concert. शुरू से ही. And I have to keep telling them, okay, yes, I will be singing that song later, and they hold on to, you know, they stay with me till I sing that song. So it's amazing.
In fact, I've seen Katrina Kaif and Bipasha Basu perform it live at international shows. I've covered them, and I think it is electrifying the way people react to it.
Yeah.
Singing on stage or singing in studio, what is more fun?
More fun is on stage, of course. Because you're like a free bird, you can do anything. आपको कोई रोक टोक नहीं है. वहाँ पे वो एक जगह है जहाँ पर आप बहुत improvise करते हो. और स्टूडियो में इतने restricted माहौल में भी आपको imagine पूरा world करना होता है. तो वो challenging होता है. But actually, I should mention this कि stage पर गाना और भी difficult होता है क्योंकि आप जब आपके पास पूरी खुली छूट होती है, then you can go berserk. But I try to still keep the essence of the song, and I just don't go overboard with it. और कुछ गानों में ऐसा स्कोप होता है जिनको मैं हर बार जब स्टेज पर गाती हूँ तो कुछ नया ही निकलता है. Even I get surprised कि आज ये गाते गाते नई बात कैसे आ गई. So life is some other level of fun.
Okay, and Madonna and Whitney Houston, the better singer?
Better singer, of course, Whitney.